I'm Rugie Misir, president of the Jamaica Karting Association. Just got to the end of our first event after practically a year and a half hiatus for COVID reasons. We're glad to be approved by the government, and although we have limited participation, it was a good day, very close racing. We saw a lot of the drivers shaking off the rust. Our sponsors stepped up: KFC, True Juice, Amsoil, Lubit, Herald Printers, to name a few, really stepped up to keep us afloat during these difficult economic times. We look forward to the end of June, the last weekend in June, for our next event, and we will be putting out other publications for that shortly. This one was not advertised as we are limited to participants and family only. After so many months of working to get the new protocols approved by the government, I really hope that our platform and operation is a stepping stone for all the motorsports, for JRDC, that is Dover, to return racing in Discovery Bay or racing at Jam West. Also for rally and drag racing. You know, motorsports does not have to be unsafe. These protocols that we have, it's a new way of life. So just, you know, keep the distances, keep your mask on, and let's go racing.
Subscribe now to 876 Streets on YouTube, and turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching.